When you manage data in Excel, you will often find that you want to combine values from several cells into a single value. For example, High Chronicles Messenger might have a list of individuals to contact about arranging bulk shipping contracts for their companies. The contact name might be in 3 columns such as last name, first name, and initials. So in this chapter, we're going to learn how to manage data by using FlashView. Let's create another worksheet. We're going to call this worksheet. The worksheet, we name it mailing list or mailing list. Okay, press enter to have that. We start from B2. We name the headers as last name. Let's create space in between last name, then first name, and then initials. Then later on we deal with the full name. Okay, next is to select everything here on the cell on the row and select maybe 15 or 20, make it bold. I can change the fonts. Let's change it to 18 or 16. 16 should be okay. Now let's add a couple of names here. We're going to add Christian, Chris, and the initials. Then the first name here, I'm going to add Morax. Then I can now select from the drop down list and select maybe from FlashView, select this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to add more. Let me add the guy last name as James. Okay, and this guy we have initials of her. Then this, we're gonna edit the value of, let me add one more as Folabi Taiwo, then Foxy Emmanuel. Okay, here at the full name list, I did the value to read James L Morax. What we're gonna do here is to go to data. I want to use the FlashView here, so we select this and click the FlashView. Did you see that? Let me do that again. Now that I have this, we have James L Morax. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is I want the full name I want Excel to automatically get the full name for me using this format. To do that, select data from your tab and look for FlashView. Here we go, FlashView, and click FlashView. Automatically Excel will get the name for me in this format, that is Christine Chris, James L Morax, Afolabi O Taiwo, Foxy Emmanuel. So that's how to use the FlashView to automatically fill the full name. You can select and click the flash button. For instance, you can let's do that again. Select all and click the flash button. Click the flash to automatically update it for you.